I'm live here in Chicopee Center. We've picked up about 3 inches of snow. Right now the snow is tapering off, but it's ending as a little bit of sleet, and the roads here around Chicopee Center are certainly still snow covered. Now, it's been a while since we've had this type of accumulating snow here in western Massachusetts, but January is usually our snowiest month of the year, and we were reminded of that today.
Snow is snow. I don't really like it that much, but it's good to see it. It would have been nicer on Christmas, though.
Amazingly, it's been since well before Christmas that we've had a snowstorm bring more than an inch of accumulating snow to the lower Pioneer Valley. Snow amounts weren't huge with this storm, but enough to impact those traveling for the holiday weekend.
Slow. A little bit slow. I think there's a lot of people on the road a little bit nervous about all the snow and slush.
It's slick though, very slick out, because of small accumulation like this, you get really slicky out there with the cars and that. Some people don't want to slow down.
Part of what made the roads so slick was how cold it was, allowing snow to accumulate quickly on any untreated surface. This weekend's storm was almost like winter part 2 after such a snowy start to December with that huge storm, but then getting a big reset after last weekend's record heat. We were able to start winter all over again with this one. People seem to notice the big change in just a week.
I think it's great. Last week was a hike, this week's snowshoe.
With roughly 60 days until spring, we're probably not done with snow yet.
The older you get, it's not as good anymore.
Now, you're better off not waiting until the work week to clean up all this 3 inches of snow with a little bit of sleet. You're better off doing it tomorrow, because if you wait until the work week when it gets colder, this snow and sleet combination will harden up and make it much more challenging to clear away. Live in Chicopee, meteorologist Nick Bannon, 22 News.